Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming our world, and the demand for AI skills is only going to grow in the years to come. In this video, we'll explore the 10 AI skills that will be in high demand in 2024. These skills are essential for anyone who wants to be successful in the AI industry. AI is already having a major impact on our lives. It's being used to develop new medical treatments, create self-driving cars, and even write creative content. As AI continues to evolve, it's only going to become more powerful and pervasive. Programming skills are essential for any AI professional. You'll need to be proficient in at least one programming language, such as Python, Java, or C++. Programming skills allow you to create and modify AI models. Data modeling and analytics skills are also essential for AI. You'll need to be able to collect, clean, and analyze data in order to train and deploy AI models. Data modeling and analytics skills allow you to understand the data that AI models are trained on. Machine learning and deep learning skills are the core of AI. You'll need to understand how machine learning algorithms work in order to develop and deploy AI solutions. Machine learning and deep learning skills allow you to create AI models that can learn and adapt. Cloud computing skills. AI models are often deployed in the cloud, so it's important to be familiar with cloud computing platforms such as AWS, Azure, and GCP. Data visualization skills. AI models can generate a lot of data, so it's important to be able to visualize that data in a way that is easy to understand. Communication skills. AI professionals need to be able to communicate their ideas effectively to both technical and non-technical audiences. Natural language processing, NLP, is the ability of computers to understand and generate human language. This is a rapidly growing field with applications in a wide range of industries, including healthcare, finance, and customer service. NLP skills allow you to create AI systems that can understand and respond to human language. Computer vision is the ability of computers to see and understand the world around them. This is another rapidly growing field with applications in a wide range of industries, including self-driving cars, robotics, and medical imaging. Computer vision skills allow you to create AI systems that can see and understand the world around them. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning that allows computers to learn from their own experiences. This is a powerful tool for developing AI agents that can learn to perform complex tasks, such as playing games or driving cars. Reinforcement learning skills allow you to create AI agents that can learn and improve over time. Quantum computing. Quantum computers have the potential to solve problems that are currently intractable for classical computers. This could lead to major advances in AI, including the development of new AI algorithms and systems that are far more powerful than anything that is currently possible. Generative AI. Generative AI is a type of AI that can create new content, such as images, text, and music. This has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, including entertainment, advertising, and healthcare. Explainable AI. Explainable AI is a field of research that focuses on developing AI systems that are able to explain their decisions. This is important for ensuring that AI systems are fair and transparent, and that they are not used in a way that is harmful to individuals or society. Ethical considerations. As AI becomes more pervasive, it's important to consider the ethical implications of its development and deployment. Bias mitigation is the process of identifying and addressing bias in AI systems. This is a critical issue that needs to be addressed in order to ensure that AI is used in a fair and equitable way. Bias mitigation skills allow you to identify and address bias in AI systems. Responsible AI practices are a set of guidelines for the ethical development and deployment of AI systems. These guidelines are important for ensuring that AI is used in a safe and beneficial way. Responsible AI practices skills allow you to develop and deploy AI systems in an ethical way. Bias. AI systems can be biased, which can lead to discrimination against certain groups of people. For example, an AI system that is used to make hiring decisions could be biased against women or minorities. Safety. AI systems can be used to harm people, either intentionally or unintentionally. For example, an AI-powered weapon could be used to kill people. Privacy. AI systems can collect and store a lot of data about people, which could be used to violate their privacy. For example, an AI system that is used to track people's movements could be used to spy on them. It is important to be aware of these ethical considerations and to take steps to mitigate them. By developing skills in ethical AI, you can help to ensure that AI is used for good. Conclusion. The demand for AI skills is only going to grow in the years to come. By developing the skills listed in this video, you can position yourself for a successful career in AI. Thanks for watching.